Hello guys, and welcome to another video of mine. My name is Joe. I'm pretty new at this, so bear with me here. It's early in the morning here today in California. It's only about 6:51 a.m. and I just want to share with you some things in the crypto market. So let's move on. So as you can see, Axie Infinitiy right here has been killing it. With about 44.68% increase in the last 24 hours and 151.13%. And Sandbox here is also doing really good, as you can see. This was right after the pullback that we just had. So if you guys are thinking about investing, wait until it goes down. So show you where we're at right now. So if you go to market cap, we're at hold on a second. So let's pull up day view. So 7-day actually. It's only happened the past 7 day when we hit 1.17 million trillion market cap, and then we were there for since we hit 1.18, we were kind of just staying around that area for, let's see here, for a day or two, and then we started our rally up again, and it's been happening for the past few days now. And I don't know when we're gonna start going down here, but from the looks of it, you go check out what's been happening with Bitcoin. Let's go to cryptocurrencies. If you check out what's been happening with Bitcoin right here for the past 7 days, because Bitcoin has a lot of market dominance. I think it's at 46 right now. It should tell you, if you go back to market cap, how much Bitcoin has, how much influence Bitcoin has in the market. So major crypto assets by percentage of total market capitalization, Bitcoin dominance chart. So right now, Bitcoin stands at about 46.02%, with Ethereum 17.07%, and a bunch of other coins. So pretty much, if you guys are thinking about investing, and again, this is not financial advice, this is just my honest opinion. It's up to you how much you want to invest, where you want to invest it, and while keeping in mind that you could potentially lose it also. Only invest what you could afford to lose, pretty much. So in the last 7 days, we are still going up, and if you and it's really helpful to use candlesticks, because that's what I've been using whenever I check it out on Binance. So here's Binance. You guys can go ahead, if you guys don't have Binance, you guys can go ahead and use my link down below to sign up. And I believe you get some sort of sign up bonus. That's one of the things I like about sharing my link to other people, so that other people could benefit from the sign up bonus. I'm also going to include some other links, such as Celsius. It's like, you could think of it as like a savings account. They are FDIC insured, so you don't have to worry about guess losing your money or something without getting it back. But since they are FDIC insured, you should be able to get your money back. And I don't think I've heard anything bad from Celsius in the past, and I have been using this for over a month now, and I've been gaining some pretty good gains on my money. So pretty much what it is like they lend your money, sort of like how our bank system does it, except you gain more interest for holding stable coins such as USDC, USDT. I don't recommend any other coins besides stable coins, because stable coins are they're not really affected by volatility of the market. So that's one of the things to think about. So anyways, going back to the charts, if you go to trading view right here, let me try to get it on full screen. So full screen, and then if you go to add indicator, one of the things I've learned from my past acquaintance on Facebook is using that up, trying to figure out how to pull up the indicator. So okay, there you insert indicator. So what I've been using is Bollinger bands. You can only have up to 3, I think. Bollinger bands. What else? MACD. I like MACD. And relative strength index or stochastic RSI. Let's do that. Okay. I think you could have up to 3 in here. Okay, so let's now go to full view. As you can see here, we're looking at okay. Are we looking at hourly view? Ah, crap, we lost it. Okay, so you could change it from here. We're looking at hourly, but if you look at day view, you can see that we're almost at the line. Once it hits that line, that means it's overbought for the day. So the price might start to go down. Like as you can see here, this was around when was this? Doesn't say the day. Okay, 6/14. So June 14. That was the last time it was overbought, and then it just kept going down, as you can see. So with the candlesticks, it makes sense where it's kind of headed for the day. You could look at it in other timelines too, if you like, whatever helps you. So actually for half a day, it's already overbought. So there's a red candlestick being formed right there, and I don't know if it's gonna go down from here, but from the looks of it, since we had our last pullback, we hit 29,700, somewhere 750, somewhere around there, and then this was on 719, and we just been going up from there. So I don't know when we're gonna be going down, but it's usually good to wait maybe a few days before buying in, because we want to make sure that we've hit the ground floor before buying in. So that's what I plan on doing next time. So I also wanted to share with you what you might want to consider next time we have another pullback like that. Is probably investing in Matic. Anything that goes down by a lot, like this one went down. If you go to day view, this one went down to as low as like 69 cents, which hasn't happened. Like, I don't think that's ever happened before since we've had our bull run this year. So it quickly bounced back up, and we're currently sitting at like right around 90 cents. So that was like a 30-cent increase in a matter of days. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum was I don't think it's ever hit this low before, 1791, and then look at where it's at now, 2134. Other than that, I also saw some buying opportunity for AAVE in case we have another pullback like that. For Dash, those are the ones that I saw that made really huge increase in a matter of days. So there's a lot of room here for swing trade. I don't recommend day trade because I think in order to profit from that, from the very very small very slight increases in percentages, you must be willing to put in a lot more than your swing trades. Like for instance, if I could make some good gains from swing trading, maybe between $500 to $1,000, with day trade, you gotta be willing to put at least 1,000 just to make out of something. So um Augur, oh my gosh, this one made a really good increase as well. Augur, as you can see, made around 41.69%. So when we hit that the last time we had that pullback was around 720. It was at 1509, and then it's currently sitting at 2301 right now. And for Dash, the last time we had, okay, so it was sitting at around 115, 113, 114, somewhere around there when we had that pullback recently, and then went up all the way to 137. We're now currently sitting at 144. I think I even saw it go up to like all the way to 148, and then it hit that line. If you're looking at it with Bollinger Bands, it hit that line, so it's immediately sold. So that's kind of like the resistance we're trying to break. So pretty much keep a closer look on Bitcoin and where it's at, and that's how you can keep up with the crypto market, because wherever Bitcoin is, the rest of the market usually follows. Maybe there are some that are not really affected by Bitcoin's volatility, but the majority of the market usually crash or rallies up when however Bitcoin is doing. So keep that in mind. So I'm gonna be closing this now. I think I've shown you guys what I needed to show you for today. Other than that, AAVE, I totally forgot about AAVE. AAVE was AAVE was around 223, and then now it's like where is AAVE now? Second. AAVE is currently sitting at 289. So from like 217 to 89. Imagine if you had bought that. That would have been $72 gain. So imagine if you put in $1,000. $1,000. See. And it was at 217. Divide that by 17 times 4.6 to 72. You could have made $331 increase. Yeah, AAVE is I believe it's a DeFi. So that's actually, I think AAVE is number one in the DeFi sector of cryptocurrency. So okay, let's go to Axie Infinitiy now. So let's see where it's at. So Axie Infinitiy past 7 days has been crushing it. Look at this. Slowest was right around when we had that pullback, when everything was dropping. So it was at 14.62, and then the highest it's ever been was 46.11. So Axie Infinity, I haven't personally looked into it, look into investing in it, but maybe when we have that next pullback, this is one of the crypto that I'll look into investing. And as you can see, the market cap is pretty big, 2 billion. Let's see what else. So some of the things to keep in mind is whether it has max supply. Okay, it does have a max supply, 270 million total supply, and circulating supply. For some reason, I don't really trust crypto that has no max supply. Like Ethereum is probably one of the few that I trust, because it's number 2 for a reason, and it doesn't have a max supply. Okay, so I think there's one more that I wanted to show you. That okay, Telcoin has made a 51% increase in the last 7 days. Not nearly as good at Axie Infinity or Sandbox, but in the last 7 days, it's made 14.74% increase. I think I should have invested in this, but like I said, there's probably gonna be more pullbacks like this, because if you look in the last month, we've just been on up and down, up and down, up and down. Actually, this is like the lowest, the latest pullback we've had is by far the lowest we've ever been in terms of market cap. So we're actually now back up to where we were, like right around here, right around July 10. Hopefully it keeps going up from there. But if you zoom back to 3 months, this is when we had the all-time high for Bitcoin around May 9th, somewhere around there. Then you zoom out 1 year ago, you can see that this is kind of like the continuation, excluding the all-time highs we've had for Bitcoin or the crypto market. This is kind of like where we are. Like the crash brought us back to where we were around January. Okay, guys, so I think that's it. That's all I really want to talk to you guys about. I'm gonna be including in the description down below my sign up links for Kucoin. That's another trading app that you can check it out yourself. They have some crypto there that Binance don't have. But also keep in mind, be careful if you're investing in crypto that is not in the top 100. I only really highly recommend whatever's in the top 100 for day trade, swing trade, or even long-term holding. And you can also check out gate.io. That's another good one because they have a lot of crypto there. But like I said, be careful if you're investing in a crypto or two that is not in the top 100. They are not really the safest bet. because they're the ones that would quickly go down if Bitcoin goes down, but then when Bitcoin is doing good, they can go up by a lot, but then sometimes it's short lived. So be very careful out there, guys. And another thing, if you're looking into alternative way of making income, I'm gonna include the link on how you can start mining with just a gaming PC. I've been doing this for past few weeks now, and probably only earn a few bucks, but then it doesn't waste that much electricity. I don't know if you guys been keeping up with the news. They're saying that Bitcoin it uses a lot of energy to mine Bitcoin using ASIC miners or EUs. So that is one of the reason for the crash. Also the fact that China has been cracking down on crypto traders, crypto users. Um, so that's one of the reasons for the migration of Bitcoin miners from China to other places all around the world. But before that, yeah, China had most crypto miners, as far as I know, and I think they're only they're finally um situating themselves in places such as Kazakhstan, in some place in United States, and wherever they are welcome to start their mining operations again. Oh, and and more institutions are adopting cryptocurrency. Amazon, according to CoinMarketCap news, which you could access on your smartphone. For some reason, we can't really see it. Go on CoinMarketCap here, but if you're on your phone, you should be able to see it. Like if you go all the way down, they usually have a news section for you to look at. So Amazon is, I think they're in the process of adopting cryptocurrency. I think I even saw them talk about accepting VeChain aside from accepting Bitcoin. And I think Elon Musk, if you guys have watched the B Word conference recently with Jack Dorsey of Twitter and Katie Wood of ARK Invest, I think Elon Musk is thinking about accepting Bitcoin as soon as the Bitcoin Mining Council confirms that Bitcoin is using 50% renewable energy. Other than that, I think some of the big institutions out there like JP Morgan is thinking about um, having cryptocurrency as an for clients that are interested in investing in it. And I think that's it. That those are pretty much the bullish news that I wanted to share with you guys. Um, I don't get to do this very much. That's why I'm doing this very early today, because the fact that I have a family to take care of. Um, my baby is almost 11 months old. Gonna be 1 year old September 5 this year, and I'm pretty excited because it feels like it's only been yesterday when he was born. Time flies by fast, especially when you're doing so many things. But yeah, thank you again for watching, guys, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos. And if you guys find this video helpful, feel free to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.